Lavender's stress relief. Welcome back to Herbalist channel, where we explore natural cures for a better, more balanced existence. In today's episode, we explore lavender's magical role in stress relief. Natural companions like lavender can improve our well-being in today's fast-paced, stressful world. Let's explore lavender's relaxing characteristics and how it might help us manage stress. Deciphering soothing scents with aromatherapy and lavender. We'll explore lavender's aromatic components and their powerful effects on the limbic system, our emotional center, in this video. Take a sensory trip with lavender to learn about its stress-relieving properties and how to include it into your everyday routine. Limbic system and lavender aromatic compounds. Linalool and linalyl acetate make lavender essential oils magical. These chemicals directly affect the limbic system, the brain's emotional center. Lavender inhalation relaxes and reduces stress. Lavender essential oil calms. The soothing and anxiolytic qualities of lavender essential oil have been extensively explored. Lavender scent boosts serotonin production and well-being. Research shows that inhaling lavender essential oil reduces tension and anxiety. Practical lavender aromatherapy tips. For a gentle scent, use aromatherapy diffusers to add lavender essential oil to your home. Pillow sprays. Spray your pillow with lavender to relax before bed. Personal inhalers. Put a few drops of lavender oil in a portable inhaler to relieve stress on busy days. Relaxing with lavender. Lavender tea combines relaxation and olfactory joy in one cup. We will discuss lavender tea's relaxing characteristics, brewing methods, and how to get the most out of it. Sit down with your favorite mug and let's discover lavender tea's secrets. Lavender tea relaxation benefits. Tea made from lavender is said to calm and relieve stress. Its calming properties from linalool make it great for unwinding after a long day. Regular lavender tea consumption improves sleep and well-being. Lavender tea calms. Warm lavender infusion releases essential oils, making a fragrant and calming drink. A gentle sedative, lavender tea calms without drowsing. Lavender tea's antioxidants may reduce inflammation, improving health. How to brew the perfect lavender tea. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lavender buds should be steeped in boiling water for 5-7 minutes. Adjust steeping time for strength. Try lavender with chamomile, mint, or other herbal teas to make a custom blend. Lavender honey tea. Add lavender-infused honey to your tea for sweetness and taste. Relaxing lavender tea tips. Sip lavender tea in a peaceful setting to relax. Try lavender tea before bed to relax and sleep better. Try different lavender tea blends and brewing times to find your favorite. Lavender skincare for stress relief, nurturing skin and soothing soul. Relax with lavender-infused skincare where self-care meets stress reduction. In this part, we will show you how lavender may be a mild yet effective skincare partner for your complexion, relaxation, and stress relief. Join us as we explore lavender's skincare benefits and how to relax your beauty routine. Skincare and stress relief with lavender. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities make lavender a useful skincare ingredient. Lavender calms skin and reduces redness and irritation. Aromatherapy with lavender-infused skincare products relieves stress by affecting the brain's emotional center. Lavender-infused DIY skincare. Lavender face mask. Combine lavender essential oil with honey and yogurt for a soothing mask. Lavender body scrub. Exfoliate and relax with lavender oil and sugar or salt. Pour a few drops of lavender oil into your favorite unscented moisturizer for a customized and pleasant skincare experience. Lavender's skin and stress reduction science. The scent of lavender releases endorphins, making your skincare regimen more relaxing. Lavender reduces stress beyond the emotional response, improving skin health and beauty. Researchers say lavender in skincare may improve skin barrier function and hydration. Your skincare routine with lavender. Dim the lights and play calm music while using lavender-infused products for a spa-like feel. Try lavender-infused skincare products in the evening to relax before bed. For added relaxation, rub your face with lavender oil. Supporting sleep with lavender, nature's elixir. This part will reveal lavender's powerful effects on sleep, including its capacity to relax and improve quality. Join us as we explore lavender for a pleasant night. How lavender affects sleep quality and duration. Traditional use, lavender calms and prepares the mind and body for sleep. Aromatherapy with lavender may help insomniacs sleep better, making it a good natural cure. Researchers say lavender before bedtime can help you sleep longer and better. Setting up lavender-infused sleep. Lavender linens and pillows. Use lavender-scented linen sprays or pillowcase sachets to relax your sleep. Diffusers for essential oils. Use a lavender essential oil diffuser in your bedroom to release its relaxing scent continuously. DIY lavender sleep mist. Mix lavender essential oil with distilled water and lightly spray your sheets. Trying lavender pillows, sachets, and diffusers. For a natural sleep aid, buy or make lavender pillows. Drawer and closet sachets. Your sleepwear will smell calmer with lavender sachets in drawers or closets. Essential oil diffusers. Try lavender with chamomile or cedarwood to relax. Tips for using lavender at bedtime. While smelling lavender, read a book or do some gentle stretches before bed. Lavender-infused skincare products before bedtime increase tranquility. Be consistent with your lavender sleep ritual to associate the scent with bedtime. Relaxation with nature's scent, lavender and mindfulness. Step into mindfulness, where lavender soothes and presence is practiced. Here we'll discuss how lavender can help you practice mindfulness and relax. I want you to explore lavender and mindfulness, finding peace in nature's smell. Lavender in meditation and mindfulness. For a relaxing ambiance, scent your meditation place with lavender. Lavender eye pillows. Relax with lavender-infused eye pillows during meditation or deep breathing. Focus on the present while inhaling lavender. Lavender as a relaxation focus. To relax, visualize lavender fields or a peaceful lavender garden during mindfulness exercises. Tactile experiences with dried lavender or lavender-infused objects can enhance awareness. Personal experiences with lavender in mindfulness. Share relaxation stories from lavender users in mindfulness techniques. Provide testimonies from practitioners who use lavender to focus and relax. How to use lavender in mindfulness. Try lavender candles, oils, and incense to find what works for your mindfulness practice. Immerse yourself in nature with mindfulness walks among lavender fields or gardens. To conclude today's discussion about lavender and stress management, we invite you to try these methods and see what works for you. Remember, everyone's path to stress-free living is different, and lavender may be the soothing companion you need. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more intelligent information, and share your lavender experiences in the comments. Stay calm, balanced, and tuned to Herbalist channel till next time.